Hi there. I'm going to do a poppy, representational poppy. I'm going to be doing it totally different. I've never seen this on internet ever before in my life. But I woke up with the idea this morning. I'm going to try it. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But I really want to try it. And so what I like to do, I love poppies. And I just covered an old canvas with some different colors in the background. And I'm going to take, I'm going to take my brush. I'm not sure which brush. I really what I want is a brush curve like that. I can't get it. So I'm going to just, I didn't know if this would be better. This is really, really thick and fuzzy. This is too big, I think. So scrap that one. This is too big. So one of these. I'm going to try this one, see what happens. I'm going to lay this down on the table here. And I'm going to coat it. Wasn't thinking. So I'm going to put orange on here. And yellow. Now I want the yellow to be on the outside. You know when the leaves are kind of, or the petals are kind of like getting old and they hit the sun? So on the outside of the petals. So if this is the outside of the petal, I'm going to do it like this. Just sweep it like that. Then I want this yellow on the outside. This might not work, so bear with me. We'll try another way if it doesn't work. Okay. Now I'm going to turn this upside down. This brush. See what happens. Just follow the curvature of the petal. I'll try that again. I think I'm just going to muck it with a little yellow here. And then the orange. Tap it on the orange. And then lay my brush down flat. Because you've got paint on a whole brush. Works. Okay, now I think I want to put a bit more orange into it. A lot of red here. Just do a push-pull. So you know what a push-pull is? If you had watched my videos before, you know push-pull is warm, cool, warm, cool. So you get warm, cool, and you get like a nice 3D look. So this red is cool. This yellow is warm. This orange is warm. So if I do red, I want warm beside it. This is a red, so I want some warm beside it. blend it in a little bit. And this one needs red right here. This is the top edge. This leaf is over the other leaf. So I want to give it some definition. And that's behind it. So that leaf here, that yellow one, this is in front of this one. See how when I put the yellow there, it just pushes it right back. Look at this, watch this. See? Just pushes that leaf right back. Now you got this leaf coming out, this little edge here. That's got to be a bit more yellow. Just feather it in a bit. And this one here could be a bit more orange. Just feather it in a bit here. And this red here is underneath. Oh, see what's happening here? See this little edge? This looks like it's on top. So it's curled over a little bit. So that's how you can make it. There you go. See, that's what's happening. Looks like it's curling over. And I want some really dark in there. So I'm going to put some purple. And that'll be like a shadow, like the underneath part. Just go with it. If something happens, just work with it. Put a bit of purple in there. Just along the edge. Like that. Okay. And this is a bit brighter down here. Okay. And let's see. Just need some black now. Let's see. Nice little narrow brush. Real fine brush here. Just do a stem. And the stem should kind of not be right at the center. You want the stem to flow out a little bit at the base of the flower. Like that. And then come down. Has a little bulbous under the flower. I like that. Yeah, let's leave it like that. I like that. Yeah. Looks good. And can go a little bit higher, I think. Don't want it all perfect. And then some little spots in the middle. Get those seeds in there. And it's done. I could muck around with it, but you know what? I'd be just trying to make it perfect, and I don't want to do that. I want to let it just kind of be. I know it still is, for some of you that's very, very feathery and fluffy. I'm not that kind of person. I have a hard time with that. I have to work on that. So this is not fluffy, and it's not harsh. To me, it's a bit of a semi, and I can live with it. So yeah, this is done. So I want to thank you for joining me today. This is Doreen Velin on YouTube, and please follow me and click that little button, and you'll get notified when we have our next video. And thank you very much.